All right guys, so I finished doing the install. It went pretty smooth. Instructions said about an hour and a half. I took my time. It took me about 2 hours. So that's what you can expect if you're actually trying to install either the open style or the closed style that a lot of people have. Personally, I liked the open style because if it's trying to get more air, I don't want anything to impede that. And so if there's a box around it, I feel like that would decrease the amount of air the intake's trying to suck in. But that's just me. I'm not sure if it's actually sucking cold air, but it's a diesel motor, and I feel that the more air it gets, the better it's going to be, the more efficient it's actually going to be. All right, so I have some audio clips. It's not something to accurately display the benefit going from open versus the closed style intake, but it's one thing I wanted to just show because there's not too many videos on, just the sound quality, and this is in the same spot. And you can definitely tell that the intake is actually voicing that the turbo is going to be louder. So that's one pro that you get going with this intake. A con may be that your foot's going to stay in the fuel on the gas pedal, but it does sound better, and that's what I was going for, and a little more efficient. So let's go ahead and check out these audio clips. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed those. One thing I'm gonna track to see if these intakes actually benefit the motor in the truck is I took an average of the last 15 fuel tanks that I did for the truck. It averaged 13.88 miles per gallon. Now I know it's gonna vary from the next 15, but if it's anywhere close, because I'm gonna be doing much more city coming up than I did the last 15 tanks, if it's the same miles per gallon or a little better, then I know that intake's actually helping out with the fuel economy. I like it because it sounds throaty, and it was way too quiet just in stock form. So I'm very interested to see how the next 15 fill-ups are going to amount to. I love the look of the intake. It cleaned up some space. It seems much more efficient than the stock intake. And as you can tell from the audio clips, it seems like it's doing a better job than the stock intake. I know I'm not pushing crazy amount of horsepower or torque based off of what the stock intake can handle. From what I think, I feel like this open style intake will absolutely improve the performance and the efficiency of the motor. All right, so if y'all have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know below. Please like this video if this helped you out. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you next time.